Hey guys, hope you guys are doing well today. It's gonna be a crazy video because I didn't know this was happening. It was super last minute and it's kind of like a, you know, a rushed thing, a rushed video essentially. So, as you guys can see, we have nothing in the truck bed just yet. But that's about to change because we are about to head over to Braden's, pick up the pit bike, bring it back over here, get it all ready, and we're gonna be selling it today. Now, I know what you guys are saying. What are you doing, Miller? You love pit bikes. Miller, your pit bike content is amazing. I mean, I read all the comments everywhere. I know you guys love that stuff because the videos do crazy good. But the catch is that we're gonna be kind of, you know, upgrading a little bit now. I found a good deal on something else, and you know, you guys will just have to stay tuned for that because I'm gonna be going with Braden, you know, to make that happen. So you guys will have to stay tuned for that. But right now we have to get this thing, gotta go over there, get the battery in it, and get it ready to be sold. So my buddy Trevor, he's actually one of my buddies, is actually picking it up from me, cutting him in a good deal. Of course, pit bikes are hard to find to come by now, so gotta hook them up. It's happening. I mean, hey, I can't say what we're getting yet because that would just be too easy, but I did get a new jack that you guys have probably already seen, and it is so sick. You know, got the truck tires, got the truck lift waiting. It's on back order, but we're waiting to get it finished up. But this thing is looking clean and mean. You know, got the bed all cleaned out. Still gotta fix that. Gotta go get some bolts. Subaru's doing good. The Porsche's doing good. Of course, it's doing great. So let's get this truck started and let's head over to Braden's. So good. Let's shut the garage door before it gets all smoky in here. Jeez, that thing smells good. We'll leave that thing running, let it warm up for a minute. All right, let's get to it. All right, guys, we made it over here. Gotta put this down. Load up the pit bike right there. Oh, we got some sexy units in here. Might just end up taking the KTM, you know what I'm saying? Or that, you know, or even one of those. But yeah, I got the battery out right now. Let's see if it's done charging. It's not. Let's just see if it works. This off, take this off, unplug this mess. All right, let's go see if it wants to work, because I have no earthly idea if it even did anything. All right, boys, got it all put together. Let's see if she wants to turn on. Nah, battery's dead. Sorry about that, Trev. I don't know. I guess that battery's just shot now, but they were like 15 bucks on freaking Rocky Mountain ATV. All loaded up. Now let's head it back. Nice. All right, boys, we're just gonna wipe her down and get her all ready because Christian likes to coat things in 7 layers of SC1. So we're gonna wipe this down, put some fuel in it, and be good to go. Alright guys, it is looking literally probably the best it's ever looked and best it ever will look. This thing looks so clean. I hate that I'm selling it, but you know, it's gonna come out to be better in the long run. So, you know, not as much upkeep, what I'm hitting at. So anyways guys, it is looking good. I'm excited to get off this one because this was one of my favorites. Definitely had some juice. I actually changed the chain, the front and rear sprocket, so this one was a torque monster. Brakes all work good. Front brakes work all good. The only thing it needs, I mean, you could use a front brake lever if you really wanted one, but oh man, you got the It'll Buff sticker. I mean, it's just a good, all around good unit. I mean, I'm gonna miss this thing for sure. Let's wait for them. I think they're right about around the corner, and we'll get this thing all passed on to the next rightful owner. Good to goof all. What's up, dude? Oh man, might be some times for some brake pads. How's it going?
What's up?
How you been? Chilling. Dude, here she is in all its glory. I like it. The graphics kit looks vintage.
Hopefully
yeah.
It don't get broken.
Yeah.
Anytime soon.
Oh yeah, dude, this thing rips. It's got a chain, a front and rear sprocket, so it has more torque coming out of the turns and everything like that. Pro table handlebars. Oh, little wobbly. Can't do without those. And then, what are you on right now? CRF80 or what are you on right now?
It's
JR80.
2000. Yeah.
JR80. Nice. This 4-stroke, 2-stroke. I think it rips on it.
And I got a DRZ.
Oh, that's fun too. Oh, super. Oh yeah, you still have yours.
That's not for the outside.
Yeah.
Well,
not for the dirt.
Road.
Yeah, not for the dirt. You gonna take it off and rip it around a little bit? Give it a little test run?
Yeah.
I mean, if I say you break, you bite. No, I'm just kidding.
I want to bite. Oh God, that idle.
Yeah, the idle's just funky. Send it.
YouTube video up there.
Oh yeah.
Just put it on there. Don't worry, Becca. It's fine. We'll get it.
Good job.
Yeah, thanks for your help. Got her all loaded up. That's one pretty bike. Yeah, it ain't gonna blow away. I think it'll be all right. And there she goes. I know he's gonna absolutely rip that thing, and I know he's gonna enjoy it. Ooh, sounds good. But what we got in store, pretty sick. So guys, stay tuned. Hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like, leave a comment. Let me know in the comments what you think I'm gonna get, because I don't think anybody's expecting it, because everybody knows me. Everybody knows me as Miller, riding always the TTR. So see you guys next week. Hope you guys enjoyed this video again, and I'll see you guys later.